My name is Jessica Laubin, and I am the president and one of the owners of Hometown Heating and Air Conditioning. Hometown Heating and Air Conditioning is a residential heating and air conditioning company. We specialize in service and maintenance. We also do new installation of heating and air conditioning products, and we also offer indoor air quality. The company was founded in 2012 out of my father's garage. In 2013, I got involved after being in the Air Force and going to UC Davis. I got involved because my dad was so passionate about the business and he really wanted this to become a family business. So over the years, we've worked together to grow it to become a really substantial business with more than 40 employees and 20 trucks. We're really excited about the trajectory that this business is going for. All of our technicians are EPA certified. They go through extensive training in-house with weekly trainings, and we're part of the Nexstar network, which ensures that we are held to a high standard. Only specific companies are allowed in, and it provides extra training and certifications that we're very proud of. What that does is that means that they can quickly assess what's going wrong with your system and fix it so that you have the best possible outcome in your home. We understand that if you're contacting us, it's because you have a problem, and we are here to offer you solutions as quickly as possible. One of those solutions is our membership program, in which you can have 24-hour service, annual and biannual services on your system, and that way you have knowledge and ease to know that everything will be taken care of, and if you have any issues, we'll be there right away. Your satisfaction is the most important to us, and we will do everything to make it right. We are based in Concord, but we serve Alameda County, all of Contra Costa County, and the southern point of Solano County. So we have a wide service area. Your comfort is our business, and our job is to make you comfortable in your home. So please give us a call so we can do that for you.